Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy Cardano, also known as ADA, on Binance US. So the first thing you're going to want to do is link a bank account and deposit money. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how to link a bank account on Binance US. So along the bottom, you'll see multiple icons. You're going to click on the far right icon, which is a person. So click on that. And on this screen, you'll see multiple sections: invite friends, linked accounts. So under linked accounts, you'll see add payment method. So click on add payment method, link your bank account, and follow the next step. So we're going to go back to the credit card icon on the very center at the bottom, and your screen should look like this, and you can see the option to deposit. So we're going to click on deposit, and then we're going to select US dollars, and now type in how much you want to deposit into your Binance account. Okay, so once you've deposited money into your account, go back to that credit card icon in the very center, and you'll see at the top right this yellow button with arrows pointing in opposite directions. We're going to click on that, and we're going to click on buy crypto with cash, and now you'll see multiple options to buy crypto on Binance. So we're going to look for ADA or Cardano. Okay, right there, Cardano, also known as ADA. We're going to click on that, and you can see at the top right what the current price of ADA is, which is $1.14. So type in how much worth of ADA you would like to purchase. Let's say I'm going to buy $10 worth of Cardano. Type in $10, click on preview purchase, and it tells you that the minimum order amount has to be at least $20. So let's just click on OK. So we're going to have to actually buy $20 worth. So $20 worth. Click on preview purchase, and as you can see, we're going to be buying $20 worth of Cardano, which is 17.5 shares. You can see that there is a 10-cent fee, but 10 cents isn't that much. So I'm going to click on confirm purchase. Order is being processed. You'll get confirmation email once your order is completed. Great. Okay, so under my portfolio here, I do see that I have more shares worth of Cardano at this point. And that, in a nutshell, is how you buy Cardano, also known as ADA, on Binance US. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already signed up for a Binance account, feel free to use my referral link in the comment section below or the referral code that is on the screen. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.